If you're a Kansas City homeowner and you're in need of a humidifier in your basement, KC Pier has multiple options to meet your humidifier needs. When it comes to humidity control in basements, you as a homeowner have multiple options to choose from. There are off-the-shelf brands that are very affordable and will work in certain situations, and then there are commercial graded brands that either stand alone or they're built directly into your HVAC system. At KC Pier, we provide commercially graded systems that can cover anywhere from 1,500 square feet up to 3,000 square feet. So they're whole home solutions, at least they're built to be, and then they can work in a plug and play environment off of a simple 110 outlet. And they run quietly, they run efficiently, and they can control the whole home. So depending on your solution or your needs or what you're looking for, you can try the off-shelf brands or the cheaper brands, but if you want a really commercially graded humidifier that controls humidity, runs quietly, and can last for years and years on end without any maintenance, without even taking a look at it or having to do anything, give KC Pier a call so you can take a look at our line of humidifiers and then make the right choice to fit your needs in your home.